Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Teachers' Day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and dear friends. Today, on this wonderful occasion of Teachers' Day, we come together to honor our teachers, our guiding lights, and our greatest helpers. They teach us not only from books, but also about honesty, kindness, and courage. Teachers patiently help us when we are confused, cheer for us when we succeed, and guide us when we make mistakes. They build our future by shaping our minds and hearts. Like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and scholar, once said, "Teachers deserve respect more than gifts," and he asked for a Teacher's Day in his birthday's place. We are thankful because of them, we learn, dream, and grow confidently. Thank you, dear teachers, for being our pillars and helping us shine. Happy Teachers' Day. Don't forget to subscribe.